ओम वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। These are the new prayers. I think you can repeat. After me. Sakshatkritam dayanandam
साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं
परमार्थस्वरूपिणं
परमार्थस्वरूपिणं
तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं
तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं
प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्।
प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्।
वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ
सम्पृक्तौ
वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिम् पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै There is a mistake. Ma vidvishavahai must be. That's good. Correct that. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Om
Shanti
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 Shanti.
I'll correct this in the next class. I don't know whether it was like this in all the classes. It is a mistake. Margaret Vishavavai. Anyway, you can mute your mic now. Then you unmute your mic, make sure that there are no background noise. Okay. Then a quick summary of what we have seen so far. I introduced the shabdas. Introduce the shabdas which are masculine, pullinga shabda, ending with akaranta, ikaranta, ukaranta. First we saw the description of the noun base, then the declension of shabda. The shabda otherwise called a pratipadikam, technically called a pratipadikam. The term I think you must be familiar with. We saw the declension for its first case, only pratama vibhakti. 7 plus 1 vibhaktis are there, which we will see later. So this pratama vibhakti only we are seeing now. First, to start with, we saw Rama Shabda. Rama is a Shabda, so the description would be Akarantaha, Pullingaha, Rama Shabdaha. Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha. That is the Pratama Vibhakti form. Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha. Similarly, Hari Shabda. Hari is Ikaranta Shabda. Ikarantaha, Pullingaha, Hari Shabdaha. That is a description. First, we have to describe the noun base and then only declension. Harihi, Hari, Harayaha. These two shabdas we have seen the last two classes. Ikaranta, Ikaranta, and Akaranta and Ikaranta. Many words you have read and you have declined. Now we will see Ukaranta Shabda. We will see Ukaranta Shabda. For Ukaranta, already we saw the sample noun base, Pratipadik. Like Guru. Guru is the Shabda, master Shabda or sample Shabda we take for declension, for description and declension. Guru, the word, the Shabda ending with Ukara. Therefore, Ukarantaha, Pullingaha. Linga is Pullinga, masculine. Guru. Guru, the Shabda, is a Pullinga Shabda. Therefore, Ukarantaha, Pullingaha, Guru Shabdaha. Its declension would be Guruhu, Guru, Guravaha. Guruhu, Guru, Guravaha. Okay, you can repeat after me. Ukarantaha, Pullingaha, Guru Shabdaha.
Pullingaha, Guru Shabdaha.
It is Guru, not Guru Shabdaha. Guru. This is short vowel, Hrasva. Guruhu, Guru, Guravaha.
Guravaha.
In Dvivachanam, it is Dirgha, long vowel. Now you can mute your mic. In Dvivachanam only, it is long vowel. Guru. You can see Guru is Dakara plus Ukara plus Repa plus U. U is the last letter of the Pratipadikam, therefore Ukarantaha. Linga is Pullinga, therefore Pullingaha. Ukarantaha, Pullingaha. Guru Shabdaha. Now, for its declension, Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, what happens? It is the last letter, U, is replaced by Uhu. Therefore, it becomes Guruhu. Similarly, Dvivachanam, the U is replaced by U. Therefore, Guru, the form becomes Guru. And for Bhagavachanam, U is replaced by Avaha. So it becomes Guravaha, like Hari becomes Harayaha. Similarly, here it is replaced by Avaha, therefore Guravaha. Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Ukara, that last letter U is replaced by Uhu. So therefore, you get Kakara plus Ukara, Repa plus Uhu becomes Guru. In Dvivachanam, the Antya Varna, that is the last letter, is replaced by U. Therefore, Kakara plus Ukara, Repa plus U will become Guru. And in Bhagavachanam, the last letter Ukara is replaced by Avaha. So what happens? Kakara plus Ukara plus Repa plus Avaha becomes Guravaha. So you need to know this forms. Remember this form. Guruhu, Guru, Guravaha. You can repeat again 2 times. Guruhu, Guru, Guravaha.
Guruhu, Guru, Guravaha.
Guravaha.
Guruhu, Guru, Guravaha.
Guravaha.
Now you will decline some of the shabdas. All the names on the chat box. Yes, of course you can read. Others can mute the mic.
Karantaha, Pulingaha, Janyu, Shabdaha, Janyuhu, Janyu, Janyavaha.
Yes, continue.
Ukarantaha, Pulingaha, Pashu Shabdaha, Pashuhu, Pashu, Pashavaha.
Okay. Next person.
Ukaran, yeah.
Akanksha. Continue.
जी गुरुजी. उकारान्तः
Ukarantaha.
पुल्लिङ्गः.
Not Ukarantaha.
Yes. उकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः भानुशब्दः. भानुः, भानु, भानवः. उकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः विष्णुशब्दः. विष्णुः, विष्णु, विष्णवः.
Next person. Deepika ji, you can do it.
उकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः मनुशब्दः. मनुः, मनु, मनवः. उकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः शिशुशब्दः. शिशु, शिशुः, शिशु, शिशवः. उकारान्तः
Yeah, continue.
पुल्लिङ्गः रिपुशब्दः. रिपुः, रिपु, रिपवः.
Yes, next person. Parulji, you have to
Yes,
read this and fill in the blanks.
yes, sir.
The
Ukaram,
first column is the Shabda, second
Udaram.
column is Ekavachanam, third column is Dvivachanam, fourth column is Bhagavachanam.
Bahuvachana. Okay, sir. Ukarantaha, Pullingaha, Hetu, Shabdaha, Hetuhu, Hetu, Hetavaha. Ukarantaha, Pullingaha, Kamandala, Kamandala, Shabdaha.
Kamandala,
Kamandalu, Kamandalu, Shabdaha. Kamandaluhu, Kamandalu, Kamandalavaha. Kamandalavaha. उकारन्तः पुल्लिङ्गः तरु तरु शब्दः तरुः तरु तरवः उकारन्तः
Next person. Only 3. They ask you to stop, you have to stop. Next person, Imaj.
Yes, Guruji.
Can read. Next 3.
उकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः बिन्दु शब्दः बिन्दु बिन्दुः बिन्दु बिन्दवः उकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः वट शब्दः
Not vata.
वटु शब्दः
Vatu, not vatu. Not vatu. Vatu
Vatu.
shabdaha.
ओके वटु शब्दः वटुः वटु वटवः उकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः भिक्षु शब्दः भिक्षुः भिक्षु भिक्षवः
Next person. Yajnapriyaji.
उकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः प्रभु शब्दः प्रभुः प्रभु प्रभवः उकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः मृत्यु शब्दः मृत्युः मृत्यु मृत्युः मृत्युवः
How it is mrityavaha. Hari, this guru becomes guravaha.
मृत्यवः
Mrityavaha. Okay, you can decline these first 5.
पादानाम् एकवचनानि द्विवचनानि बहुवचनानि च लिखत
Adhodathana.
अधोदत्तानां पदानाम् एकवचनानि द्विवचनानि बहुवचनानि च लिखत मुकु मुकुः मुकु मुकवः अनुरु अनुरु अनुरुः
Anuru. The word is anuru.
SG अनुरु अनुरु अनुरुः अनुरु अनुरुवः
No. Anuru is the pratipadikam.
अनुरवः
Anuravaha.
अनुरवः
The preceding letter is U. That should not be made short. Rasva. Anuru. So
Anuru.
ukarantaha pullingaha anuru shabdaha anuruhu anuru anuravaha. Only the last letter changes. Uhu, u, avaha. Preceding letter will remain as it is. Nothing will happen to that. Anything will happen to the
See?
preceding letter? To the
No,
preceding,
the last one ra.
only the last one undergoes change, not the preceding one.
Yes.
Preceding letters will remain as it is.
As it is.
If it is dirgha, anu, then it will be anu only. You cannot make it anuravaha. That is wrong. Anuravaha.
Anuravaha.
Continue.
Sindhu Sindhuhu Sindhu Sindar Sindavaha
Yes.
Shambhu Shambhuhu Shambhu Shambhavaha Rahuhu Rahu Rahavaha
Next person. Subbalakshmi. Mr. 5.
Votu
There is some noise, background noise. Some fan or something. Yeah.
Votuhu Votu Votavaha Sadhuhu Sadhu Sadavaha Renu Renuku Renu
Nitya Kalyana can stop. Mute your mic. Only this person can read. Others can keep the mic in. Yeah. Subbalakshmi, continue. Please continue.
Renu Renavaha Sunu Sunuku, Sunu, Sunavaka. Dhatu,
No, it is not correct. It is not correct. What is the word? Read the word again.
Su, Sunuku,
It is Sunu.
Sunu, Sunuku,
Sunu.
Sunuku,
Hmm.
Sunu, Sunavaka.
Yes, that's good.
Is it correct, Budji?
Yeah.
Dhatuhu, Dhatu, Dhatavaha. Shall I continue?
Next person. Pratibhaji.
मन्यु मन्युः मन्यु मन्यवः आखु आखुः आखु आखवः नन्दतु नन्दतुः नन्दतु नन्दतवः अभिमन्यु अभिमन्युः अभिमन्यु अभिमन्यवः मन्तु मन्तुः मन्तु मन्तवः नाकु नाकुः नाकु नाकवः.
Yes. So Ukaranta Pullinga, this is how it is declined. You need to memorize all this. Only Prathama Vibhakti we are learning. You need to memorize this. Then the next exercise. I already taught you that I am Yashaha means this. Saha means that. So with the example given here, you can just simple sentence. With the Kriya Padam is given, you can read. The next person can read. Kirtiji. And here
yes.
in this sentence, you will see the usage of Ukaranta Shabda. Yeah, please read.
Okay, Guruji. Ukarantah pullingah shambhu shabdah.
Shambhu is a Shabda. That's okay. One is that. Shambhu is a Shabda. Shabda cannot be used in the language. So here, Shambhu is a Padam. The Kriya Padam. Kriya Padam is Archati. So Archati means worships. How many people? Only one person.
Right.
Therefore, Ekavachana. Shambhu. Here Archati, the T tells you how many persons. In the Kriya Padam, we will talk about that in detail later. T means only one person. Remember. The Kriya Padam, when you see T, it is only one person. Therefore, Shambhu. Okay, now you can read. Shambhu.
I'm sorry, Guruji. I didn't attend the last class and
It's okay. I didn't explain it. This is what I explained also last class. It has nothing to do with the previous classes.
okay.
You can read, yeah.
Shambhu Archati. Do I have to just read it like that? Shambhu worships.
Yes, read like that, yes.
Oh, okay. Shambhu Archati. Shambhu worships. Shishuhu Krandati. Child cries.
Shishu, the word Shabda, how do you decline?
Ukarantah
Yes.
Pullingah Shishuhu Shabdah.
Not Shishu Shabda.
Shishu Shabdah.
Shishu Shabda. Now,
Shishu Shabdah.
Ekavachanam would be Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam would be Shishuhu, Shishu, Shishavaha.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes. Shishuhu is Ekavachanam.
Yes.
Shishu is Privachanam.
Devi. And
Shishavaha is
Shishavaha.
Bhagavachanam.
Bahuvachanam. Okay.
Continue.
Sadhuhu.
If you have not done the last class, listen to the previous recording. Then you will see the connection. Okay.
Yes, Guruji. I'll do that.
Recording I'm sending it immediately after each class. Okay.
Yeah, I'm sorry, Guruji. I didn't have the time. I'll definitely do it this evening. Sadhuhu Avati. उकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः साधु शब्दः. And declination would be sadhuhu, sadhu, sadhavah.
Yes.
Vishnu ukarantah pullingah Vishnu shabdah. Declination would be Vishnuhu, Vishnu, Vishnavah.
Yeah. The sentence is read. Vishnuhu
Vishnuhu srajati.
Srujati. Vishnu creates. This is how the sentence would be. The Kriyapadam would be there, and the subject, the Karta, the doer will be there. Archati, Shambhu Archati. Krandati, who cries? Shishuhu Krandati. Krandati means cries. Who is crying? Oh, the child. Only one child. Therefore, Shishu. Avati protects.
Guruji, what is that Roman number 3/1, 3/1?
Okay. Roman 3 is, it is Pratama Purusha, that is third person. Okay, in English, third person singular, because Shambhu is someone else. It is not you, it is not me.
Oh.
Neither you nor me. If it is you, it is second person. If it is me, the I, then it is first person. Neither you nor me. It is somebody else. Therefore, third person. Shambhu is third person. And Archati is Ekavachanam. That is what a denominator is. So therefore, Shambhu also must be Ekavachanam. We cannot say Shambhu Archati. That is wrong. Because Vachanam doesn't match. Shambhu is two Shambhus. How can two Shambhu? You can use worship. Archati is Ekavachanam. That also has to be Dvivachanam. That we have not seen. Don't worry about it.
Okay, and what is this 1/1 that is singular? Shambhu? Shambhuhu?
That's what I'm saying. That is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. That is what you decline now.
Okay.
1.
Okay.
Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. The numerator is Vibhakti. Denominator is Vachanam.
Okay. And
the Vachanam of the Kriya Padam and the Vachanam of the Shabda, that is the Shambhu declension, must match. Then only the sentence is syntactically correct. Otherwise, it is mistake.
So the denominator should be the same.
Yes, Vachanam should be same. Exactly.
Okay.
That is why I give the example. Shambhavaha Archati is wrong. Why it is wrong? Because Shambhavaha is Bhagavachanam. Archati is Ekavachanam. Like in English, if you say Shambhu worship,
no, Shambhu
that is wrong. They worships, you will say that. They worships, no. Similarly here also. Okay, anyway, that is all extra information. We will talk about that later. This is just simple. So in the same way, these sentences you can do like what you read now, the same way. Try.
Okay.
I've given the Shabda and the Kriya Pada, form of the Kriya Pada, not complete form is given. Now you have to form a sentence.
Okay. Abhimanyu Rakshati.
Good. That's what it is. Sentence. Yes.
Pashu Jigrati.
Not Pashu.
Animal Pashu.
Pashu is Pratipadikam.
Okay. Animal smells. Jigrati.
Pashuhu Jigrati, you have to say. Not Pashu Jigrati. It is wrong. Understand?
Okay.
Abhimanyu, you are saying why we are Pashu. It is be Pashu, right?
Correct. Abhimanyu. Okay. Pashuhu Jigrati.
Yes.
Marutihi Dhavati.
Next person. Okay, good. Sanghaviji.
Thanks, Guru.
Paninihi vadati.
Now, can you decline Panini Shabda?
That is Ikarantaha Pullingaha Panini Shabdaha.
Yes.
Paninihi Panini, Paninayah.
Good. Yes. Continue.
So Paninihi vadati. Is it correct, Guruji?
Yes.
Okay. Next one, Ikarantaha Pullingaha Yati Shabdaha. Yatihi, Yati, Yatayaha. So this is Yatihi, Yachi, Yachi.
Not Yachi. Raksh becomes Rakshati, Jigra, Jigrati, Dava, Davati, Vada, Vadati. This will become. Why Yachi? What is the word? What is that highlighted? Can you read
Gives.
that? What is that? Can you read
Yacha,
that? Yacha. Now add T to it.
Yachati.
Yachati. Why Yachi?
Sorry, Guruji.
Yatihi, Yachati. Everything is TT, is there? Can
Yes,
see.
yes, Guruji.
Archati, Krandati, Avati, Sujati, Rakshati, Jigrati, Davati, Vadati, Yachati. Same
Okay,
thing.
Guruji.
Continue the next one.
Munihi tapati. So I have to do the declension, Guruji.
Just read and understand. That's enough.
Okay. Munihi tapati. Sannyasi does penance. Agni dvalati.
No.
Flame jvalati.
You
Sorry.
cannot drop the visarga. It is Agnihi.
Agnihi jvalati.
When you say Agni, it is Pradipadikam. How can you use Pradipadikam in the language?
Correct,
Cannot
Guruji.
use.
Okay. Agnihi jvalati. Flame burns, bar shines. Harihi pashyati. Hari sees. Kavihi rachyati.
No.
Rachayati.
Rachayati. Yeah.
Poet composes.
Akoshi, you can read this. The last task we didn't read is, yeah. Yeah, please read this.
Atithi agachati.
Read properly again.
Atithi agachati.
Atithi, is it correct? Is it a valid sentence?
No, atitihi agachati. Yes.
Okay.
Shri Patihi Chalati. Maruti Dhavati.
Say again.
Marutihi Dhavati. Paninihi Vadati. Yatihi Yachati.
Not Yatihi. Read again.
Yatihi Yatihi. Oh, sorry. Yatihi Yatihi Yachati.
Okay. Next person. Now the next Shabda. Now Rikaranta. Now you have to pay attention. Rikaranta Shabda we are going to see. After seeing Akaranta, Ikaranta, Ukaranta, all these Shabda, the declension you need to remember. Now, Ikaranta Shabda, Rikaranta Shabda. Here you have to note the Rikaranta Shabda can be, it is of two types. You need to know the meaning of the Shabda for its declension. You cannot straight away decline. Like Akaranta, Ikaranta, Ukaranta, you cannot decline. Because the meaning, from the meaning the declension is going to change. So before declining, you have to ask, what is the meaning? Then only you can decline. Because two forms are there for Rikaranta. Two forms for two sets of Rikaranta Shabda. So the Zikaranta Shabda, based on the meaning, can be classified into familial relation, number one. Second one is agent. Familial relation and agent. Familial relation means the relation, the family relation. Father, mother, son, daughter, son-in-law, daughter-in-law, granddaughter, grandson, all the family relations, uncle, and all. Agent is the doer of the action, like the walker, eater, speaker, seer, smeller, all these are agent noun base. When I say agent means that person doing a particular action, particular kriya, that is called agent. I use the word agent to denote the person doing an action. So from the Pratipadikam, we have to find out, from the meaning of the Pratipadikam, we have to find out whether it is familial relation or it is agent. Then only you can decline. Without knowing this, whether it is familial or agent, you cannot decline. Okay, remember this point when you decline for Rikaranta Shabda. For example, you take now Pitra Shabda. Pitra is familiar relation or agent? Please answer, anybody.
Familiar.
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 Yes, Pita is father, it is familiar. Therefore, it declension would be Rikarantaha Pullingaha Pitra Shabdaha Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam would be Pita. Pratama Vibhakti Dvivachanam is Pitarau. Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam is Pitaraha. So Pita, Pitarau, Pitaraha. Okay. You all can repeat. Rikarantaha Pullingaha Pitrishabdaha.
Rikarantaha Pullingaha Pitrushabdaha
Pita, Pitarau, Pitaraha.
Pita Pitarau Pitaraha.
Say again. Pita,
Pita Pitarau Pitaraha.
okay. Pita is father. Pitarau, two fathers. Pitaraha, many fathers. Okay, now here Pitra Shabda. Pitra Shabda, the Shabda ending with Rikara. Shabda ending with Rikara, which is marked in red color. Now in Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, what happens? You can see Pitra Shabda, which is Pakara plus, you can see Pakara plus Ikara, Takara plus Rikara, that is Pitra Shabda. The last letter Rikara is replaced by A. Therefore, Pakara plus E, then Takara plus A is there. So Rikara is replaced by A. It becomes Pita. Similarly, Dvivachanam, it is replaced by Arau, therefore you get Pitarau. Bhagavachanam is Araha, therefore Pitaraha. So remember this. A, Arau, Araha. You have to remember this. A, Arau, Araha. So Pita, Pitarau, Pitaraha. You can remember Pita, Pitra Shabda. That is enough. So Pita, Pitarau, Pitaraha. In the same way, any Shabda if I give you, you must be able to decline it. Okay, remember the form. If you want, you can note it down. Already I sent you the file. You must be having Pita, Pitarau, Pitaraha. Now, then you will read. Next person, Akanksha ji, can read.
जी रुकारन्तः पुल्लिङ्गः जामातृ शब्दः जामाता जामातरौ जामातरः.
The last letter only changes. A, arau, araha. Jamata, jamataro, jamataraha. Jamatru means what? You have to know the meaning. Then only you can know whether it is familial or agent. Jamatra is son-in-law.
Okay.
Son-in-law is agent or familiar?
Family.
That's
Family.
what. Yes. Continue.
ऋकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः भ्रातृशब्दः भ्रात्रा भ्राता भ्रातरौ भ्रातरः.
Bratru is brother. From bratru only the word brother has come in English. So brata, brataro, brataraha. Now, the declension of the agent noun base, which we are going to see now, are different from the familial relation noun base. For the first case, dual and plural, the declensions are different. For the Pratama Vibhakti, Dvivachanam and Bhagavachanam, the declension of agent noun base is different from familial noun base. The difference for other cases will be covered later. Don't worry about that. Now let us take the agent noun base. Kartru Shabda. Kartru means, what is the meaning of Kartru? Kartru means doer. Kartru means the one who does. It's a Karta, it's a doer. So Rikarantaha, Pullingaha, Kartru Shabdaha. The declension would be Karta, Kartarau, Kartaraha. Can any one of you tell me what is the difference?
Yes, in the karta, ekavachanam is dirga a at the end, and
that is not. What about in Pita? I'm asking only about the difference. I'm not asking the similarity. What is the difference between
dvivachanam and bahuvachanam? In the middle, there is dirga a in both cases, in dvivachanam and bahuvachanam.
Yes. Pitra Shabda is Pita, Pitarau, Pitaraha. Here it is Karta, not Kartarau, Kartaraha. It is Kartarau, Kartaraha. Can you all see the difference? Otherwise,
Yes,
it will look same.
Yes, Guruji. Yes.
It is Arau and Araha.
Yes. If it is like Pitra Shabda, what will happen? Karta, Kartarau, Kartaraha. You will not have Karta, A will not be there, right? That is the difference. The difference, slight difference is there. You have to note this. The difference makes really a difference. Okay. So you need to know this. Note this. So Kartru, Takara plus Akara, Takara plus Rikara. This Rikara at the end is replaced by the following letters. You can see for Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, nothing happens. Same as Pitru. It is replaced by A. Therefore, you get Karta. For Dvivachanam, it is replaced by Arau. In Pitra Shabda, we have seen it is Arau. But here it is Arau. Therefore, Kartarau. For agent base, it is Kartarau. For Bhagavachanam, it is Araha. It is Kartaraha. Understand?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Okay. The next person can read. Deepika ji. You can read this Shabda. Deepika ji, can unmute your mic. Read these 3 Shabdas. Okay, not the next person. Parulji can read.
Yes. Ukarantaha, पुल्लिङ्गः दाता दात दातृ शब्दः
No, you have to read properly.
दाता I am reading now.
You have
Correct,
to
sir?
Ikarantaha Pullingaha Datra Shabdaha. Then you have to read. Not Data Shabdaha. It is not Data Shabdaha. Datra Shabdaha. Then you have to read Data, Dataro, Datara.
Dataro. Okay, sir. Now I will start, sir.
Yeah, please read.
Ukaran.
Only 3 words you read. Okay.
Okay.
What is highlighted?
Ukarantaha.
It is not Ukarantaha. How can be Ukarantaha?
Rukarantaru. Rukarantaha.
Okay. You have to
Pullingaha.
say it Rukar. Properly you have to say. It is Rukarantaha.
Ruka. Correct, sir. Rukarantaha.
When you say R,
Huh.
listen to me. Allow me to speak.
Okay.
When you say R, the lips should not be round. When you say U, the lips are it's made round. When you say R is cerebral. All these things we have seen. It is cerebral. The tongue touches the roof of the mouth. So there is no rounding of the lips. When you say rukarantaha means your lips will round. That is not correct. The uchcharanam you can make out easily from the movement of your mouth, the lips. So you know how you are saying. So you say whether you are saying the word, pronouncing the word, rounding your lips, or the tongue touching the cerebral, you know it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So, correct? Rukaranta.
I'm hearing the ukara u sound. That is not correct. Anyway, read. Continue.
Rukarantaha. Pullingaha. Datru. Shabdaha. Data. Dataro. Dataraha. Rukarantaha. Pullingaha. Shrotru. Shabdaha. Shrota. Shrotaro. Shrotraha.
Shrotaraha. Oh, Shrotraha.
Shrotaraha. Rukarantaha. Pullingaha. Gantru. Shabdaha. Ganta. Gantaro. Gantaraha.
Good. Next person. Now, Datra means giver. Therefore, it is agent noun base. Okay, Datra is giver. Shrotra is listener. Gantra is goer, the one who goes. Therefore, these are declined like Kartra Shabda. These are what noun bases? Familial or agent?
Agent.
Agent.
Because this agent does particular action. Therefore, it's agent noun based and it is declined like Kartra Shabda. Okay. So remember 2 Vikaranta Shabda. One is Pitru, other one is Karta. The 2 sample Shabdas you can remember. Next person after Aruchi. Much can read. You have to unmute your mic.
Yes, Guruji. Rikarantaha, Pullingaha, Vaktru Shabdaha, Vakta, Vaktarau, Vaktaraha. Rikarantaha, Pullingaha, Abhinetru Shabdaha, Abhineta, Abhinetarau, Abhinetaraha. Rikarantaha, Pullingaha, Vatru Shabdaha, Vakta, Vaktarau, Vaktaraha.
Yeah,
Guruji, what is the meaning of Vaktra and
I'm going to tell you. Vaktra is the speaker. Vaktra, the speaker, the one who speaks. Abhinetra means the actor, the one who acts. Abhinetra. Vakta is the cook, the one who cooks. Okay, the one who cooks. Vaktra speaker, Adivaktra, Adivakta, Adivaktaro, Adivaktaraha. Adivaktra is lawyer. Because Adi Upasarga, Adi is a prefix. Adivaktra. With Adi, the prefix, Vakta means speaker. So Adivaktra means lawyer because he speaks a lot. Therefore Adivaktra. Okay. Then next one. Yajnapriyaj. You have to fill in the blanks. To fill in the blank, you should know what Shabda is, whether it is familial or relation. Then only you can do it. So you have to
Yes.
know the meaning. When you read, you have to ask the meaning. Accordingly, you decline. Yes.
Datru is the agent.
Yes. Datra means how do you know it's agent? Because of the declension, right?
Yes, Ji.
Yeah. Okay. Datra is the one who creates. Creator. Datra means the one who creates. Okay.
Yes,
Read.
Ji. ऋकारन्तः पुल्लिङ्गः दातृ शब्दः दाता दातारौ दातारः.
Good. Next one.
Naptru is also agent only.
How do you know it's agent?
There I saw Ji in front before.
Okay. You can decline now. Just say, I'll tell you what it is. Yeah, decline. Like agent means.
Naptru.
Hmm.
Napta.
Hmm.
Naptarau. Naptarah.
Yes. Napta, Naptaro, Naptara. That's correct. Agent. Agent. Like agent noun base, you decline. That is correct. But you know what the meaning of Naptra is?
No, Ji.
Grandson. If
What,
it is
Ji?
grandson. Grandson. Is it familial or relation?
Then it becomes relation.
If it is relation, declension will be different, right?
Yes.
But you decline like agent noun base.
Yes, yes, yes.
Is it wrong or correct?
Wrong.
No, it is correct.
Huh?
Yes. Auji, this is because this is an exception. Okay.
Oh.
In Sanskritam, we have a lot of exceptions like that. So, Naptra is an exception. You have to note. That is what I mentioned here. I didn't read the footnote. I thought I'll tell later. You can see Naptra is an exception. Exceptions, don't worry about that. Yes, it is incidental. It has come here. Rikaranta Naptra Shabda, meaning grandson, it is declined like Kartra. That is why in the note it is given.
Okay.
It is only for Naptra Shabda. Okay. Even though Naptra is familial relation, noun base, it is not declined like Pitra Shabda. It is declined like Kartra Shabda. Exception is exception. Okay. Exception cannot be the rule. Exceptions are exceptions. So, in special cases, only exceptions are there. Otherwise, general rule. Always remember, general rule to be applied. If exceptions are there, that to be applied first. That overrules the general rule. Okay. Anyway, you can continue. Next three.
This is also, I believe, it to be agent.
It is agent only. Hotra is the priest. The priest who does the homa. It's called Hotra.
Okay. Hota. Hotarau. Hotaraha.
Yes, it is declined like Katra Shabda. Continue.
Yes. This is Hotaraha.
Yes, correct only. Hota, Hotaro, Hotaraha.
The second one, next is Hotaraha. This is also agent, Ji.
That is also
Hota.
agent. Hota.
Yes.
Hota also agent.
Okay.
Hota. Hota. Potra Shabda. Rikarantaha. Pota, potaro, potaraha.
Potaraha. Potru
Potra,
Shabda.
potra shabda. The meaning is, it is also something connected to potra is that which purifies. That's
Okay.
that which purifies is called potru.
Potru. Potru.
So potru is purifier, you can say.
Okay. The next one is Goptru. This is also agent.
Yes, Goptru is protector, the one who protects, protector. So now you can decline.
Rikarantaha, Pullingaha, Goptru Shabdaha. Gopta, Goptarau, Goptaraha.
Yes, next person. After Priya. Subbalakshmi.
Devaraha. Devara.
Devaraha Bhagavachanam is given. Now we have to find out what is the Pratipadika. It's a challenge.
Devar.
Huh?
Devar. Devar.
Devar. Devar means what? What is Devar? Ending with what letter? Think and answer, okay. What topic we are reading? How it could be Devar? Devar means Repa.
Devaru. Devaru.
Devaru.
Ah,
Devaru. What is Devaru? The last letter is Ukaranta.
Yes, Guruji.
Is it Ukaranta Shabda?
Devaru.
We are not seeing Ukaranta Shabda. We are seeing Rikaranta Shabda. How can you say Devaru? Anybody who can tell this? What's the Pratipadika?
Devru.
Devru.
Devr Shabdaha.
Devru Shabda, not Devaru.
Devru.
Devru. How do you write Devru? De and Vru. Vakara plus Rikara. Devru, not Devaru. Devru means brother-in-law. Okay. Now what will be the Ekavachana? Subbalakshmi.
Devara.
How can it be Devara? Pitra Shabda and telling Dev, Pita, Pitaro, Pitaraha. Devru Shabda, how it should be? Same as Pitra Shabda. Think and answer. Simple, it's not a big thing. Pitra is Pita. Devru will become, she will answer. Okay, Subbalakshmi, you answer. It's a difficult thing to think to answer this. I don't think. Simple.
Devru. Devru.
See, that is the Shabda, right? How can it be Devru? When Pitra is Pita, what is Devru? What is that Kirtiji? Huh?
Deva.
Deva, that is the answer. It's simple, it's not a big thing. Devru is there. What did I say? The last letter Rikara is replaced by A. So Pitra Rikara is replaced by A becomes Pita. Devru Rikara is replaced by A becomes Deva. Is it difficult, Subbalakshmi?
No, Guruji.
Then what? You can say that, answer that.
Dev.
You are saying Devru, means you are saying the same thing. You are saying the same, telling the same thing, Devru. But Devru is a Pratipadika. What is Prathama Bhakti Ekvach? That is a question.
Deva.
Not Deva. Somebody said correctly now answered. How can be Deva? It is Akaranta.
Deva.
Deva you have to say, not Deva. I don't know whether you people have the scribbling pad and pen with you. You have to write and find out. Do you have a scribbling pad and pen with you, all of you?
Yes, Guruji.
You take notes of what I say.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
Guruji.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
Guruji.
This, that is why I always resist to. I've got resistance. Send a file. If I send a file, then no notes, nothing will be there. You have to take notes. The class which you have to take. Even though I send you the class, you have to take notes. You have to write and answer. That's why in the beginning I explained very clearly, last letter is replaced by what letter. So that letter only you just apply there and simple. Deva. So what is a Dvivachanam now? Sublakshmi.
Devarau,
Very good.
Devaraha.
Devarau. So Deva, Devarau, Devaraha. Devru Shabda becomes Deva, Devarau, Devaraha. In Bhagavachanam you can see it is Devaraha. Pitaraha. Compare the two Shabdas. Pita, Pitarau, Pitaraha. Deva, Devarau, Devaraha. Pita is Pitra Shabda. Here it is Devru Shabda. Same thing. It's not a difficult Shabda at all. Okay, continue. The next one.
Paktru,
Yes.
Pakta,
I told you what Paktru. What is the meaning of the word?
Pakta,
What is the meaning of the word Paktru?
cooker. One
Cooker
who,
means
one who cooks.
one who cooks. That's not a cooker. In English also we have a different word. Cook only, not cooker. Cooker means the vessel which cooks becomes cooker.
Yes, yes.
It is cook, the one who cooks, the chef, the cook. Okay. Continue.
Pakta, Paktarau, Paktaraha.
Good. The next one.
Jamatru,
Not Jamatru. You read properly.
Jamatru,
Jama. Again, you also, I think, you have a problem of Rikara and Ukara. It is Jamatru, not Jamatru.
Jamatru, Jamatra, Jamatrau.
All of you should do homework, okay? Should do daily reading Sanskritam. Daily reading, practicing is important. Read again. Jamata, then what is Dvivachanam? Dvivachanam already given. The screen itself, you see it.
Jamatrau,
It is Jamatrau. Jamatrau, will it be written like this? Why don't you read letter by letter?
Jamatarau,
Now it's reading correctly, right? Jamatarau, yes.
Jamataraha.
Jamataraha. Should not read Jamatrau. Jamatrau will be different. It is Jamatarau. Simple. Read letter by letter. Okay. Next person. So write sentences. This is your homework. You try. Write sentences using ayam, yeshaha, saha, and the nouns given below. Now, Datra is there. Datra. Ayam means, I told you, ayam, yeshaha means this, saha means that. So, ayam dash. What do you say? Ayam.
Dhata.
Very good. Ayam dhata. Ayam is this. It is etavachana. So, ayam dhata. And yeshaha. I think we can do. Pratibha, you can do.
एषः धाता सः धाता
Yes.
अयं नप्ता एषः नप्ता सः नप्ता अयं होता एषः होता सः होता.
Next person, Kirtiji. Next 3 words.
Ayam Kota, Eshaha Kota.
Your voice is feeble.
Can you hear me, Guruji?
Okay.
Ayam Kota, Eshaha Kota, Saha Kota.
Saha Pota. Okay. Yeah.
Goptra. Ayam Gopta, Eshaha Gopta, Saha Gopta. Devr. Ayam Deva, Eshaha Deva, Saha Deva.
Yes. You can continue the next.
Okay. Let us understand the following sentence. Identify the nouns and the verbs. Brother doing japa. Bhratra. Japa. So Bhratra is noun and Japa is meditation verb.
Okay. Sentence would be
Uh,
like the previous sentence what you read.
okay. I am.
Not I am. Not
And
not previous means not immediate previous. You read in the beginning. I explained you.
okay. Brother is doing.
Japa become Japati. Remember.
Bhrataha Japati.
How can be Brataha? Bratra is just now you learned. Vikaranta Shabda. Is there any word Brataha?
Bratruhu Japati. I am
Bratruhu.
getting really. Okay. How do you say that?
No, Japati earlier I told. Bratra is how many person?
One.
What is the Shabda? Shabda Bratra. Decline that. How do you decline Bratra?
Brataha. Bratru.
Brataha. Just now we learned, right? Vikaranta
Sorry.
Shabda.
Brata.
That's what I'm asking. Brata Japati. That is the answer.
Sorry. Brata Japati. To collect, I mean to recollect fast and say it will take some time, Guruji. So
Fast, if you collect the last class, okay, I accept. But today's class, that's why we did a practice. Pita, Pitaro, Pitaraha. You read many Shabdas. Okay, you have to remember. Okay.
okay. Brata.
Only 3 words. Okay. At the end of the class, you see how many things you have learned. Really speaking, it is only whatever you learn, it can be covered in just half a page. That much only we learned. You read many things, but you got the essence, if you see, is just not even a half page. Only we have seen the declension of Ukaranta Shabda, Guru to Guru, Guravaha, the 3 forms you need, 3 words you need to know. The same logic you have to apply for other Ukaranta Shabda. Similarly, Ukaranta Shabda, the 3 forms you have to know. The same logic apply for Ukaranta Shabda. So, Bratra Shabda given, declension will be Brata. It is, brother, familial noun based. Therefore, Brata, Brataro, Brataraha, like Pitra Shabda. Understand? Yes.
Yes, Guruji.
Yeah, continue.
Gopta
Hmm.
Tyajati.
Gopta Tejati. That is the sentence. Now you know. Gopta Tejati. The protector gives up.
Okay.
Next one. Continue.
Vaktra. Vakta. What is that? Rava.
Not Rava. It is Kha. It is.
Oh, Khad. Khad, right?
Hmm.
Vakta Khadati.
Kadati. Kadati means eats.
Okay. Khadati. Okay.
Then
Vakta Khadati. And Shotra fever. Shotra.
not
Pivati.
Shotra. How can be Shotra?
Shrota.
Shrota.
Shrota Pivati.
Pibati. Okay, it is Ba. Pibati.
Oh, Pivati.
So next comes interrogative pronouns. Up to this, all are proper nouns. Akaranta, Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Rikaranta. Only Pullinga Shabda, proper nouns we have seen. Then next comes demonstrative pronouns. You please have to, all of you have to go through the lessons, go through the material from the beginning to the end. Develop familiarity with the reading. The reading fluency is important. Then the remembrance of the Shabda is important. Please do. Then only we can proceed further. Okay. So we can stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
Dhanyavada Guruji.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
Dhanyavad Guru.
Dhanyavad, Guruji.
Dhanyavad Guruji.
Dhanyavadah, Swamiji. Swamiji, I have a question. Avati and Rakshati, meaning are the same protect, right?
Sure.
Avati
Yeah.
is a protect and Rakshati also protects. So same
Yes.
meaning or we use in different way?
Same meaning.
Okay. Dhanyavadah.